to the Blue Garage, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another episode. Last week you guys saw the bad flag. It was awesome. Super excited about that. Nice little tribute to 9/11 and all those that serve and have served our country and paid the ultimate sacrifice. So make sure you guys go check out that video. This video, Ivan, my buddy on Instagram, Grizzly_ZR2, hooked it up. I saw his install of these. These are basically vent covers, if that's what they're called, I guess, for the dashboard. Carbon fiber additions to the dashboard. Pretty simple. 3M tape on either side. Got some alcohol wipes already in the truck. Gonna wipe it down, stick these on, add some more carbon fiber to the truck. So again, thank you, Ivan. Super grateful for you sending these out. I was just paying a compliment to your install on Instagram, and you're like, let me send them out to you. So again, thank you. This is why I do the channel. This is why I have fun. Not for gifts, but we show our appreciation. You appreciated my channel so much that you sent me out cards. So again, thank you. Very grateful for sending these out. I cannot say thank you enough. And Semper Fi to your son who's in the Marine Corps. So guys, pretty easy install video. Not going to take too long, so I won't waste too much of your time. Make sure you tune in for this little commercial I got going on with Super Clean. As you guys know, garage projects aren't always the cleanest. Grease builds up. This is actually grease from my old tubular upper control arms from Peak. Not the easiest to get off with just paper towel or a rag. So what I use is Super Clean. Super Clean's awesome. Make it quick and easy to get off. You have the spray, and then you have the aerosol can. You just pull it right off. It's great on the vehicle too for removing bugs. I highly recommend using this. They make a great product. You can find it on in my links down in the description below. Clean the rest of this half, and then we'll get the other side with the aerosol. Highly recommend Super Clean for getting rid of all of your grease buildup. As it says, dissolves grease. Literally does. Alright guys, so there's two different cuts here. One for the driver's side. As you see, it's a lot shorter on the bottom than the passenger side. It's just gonna basically sit right over top, just like that. Man, that looks good. Wow, that is pretty sweet. I was worried that it would bulk it up too much. It definitely looks nice and clean. Before we put it on, wet wipes first. Alcohol wipes will clean it up. Any dirt and debris is gonna reduce the adhesive, or the effectiveness of the adhesive. So it's gonna allow everything to stick a lot better. Then we're gonna hit it with a dry one just to make sure we're dry, which it's alcohol wipe, it dries up automatically. So got the 3M tape. All we're gonna do, easier said than done. Sometimes these can be a pain. This is the hardest part of the job, guys. Just peeling off the backing of the 3M tape. Voila! It's all off. Now before anything sticks to it, I better get it where it belongs. I'm gonna start from the bottom and just hold it there for a little bit. Covers up perfectly. What do you guys think? I don't know. It looks like it is made that way. I'm pretty happy with that. That gloss finish to go with everything else, you know. That took a whole 5 minutes, 4.5, maybe 4 minutes and 10 or 50 seconds. I'm sorry, were for the adhesive, and then 10 seconds were for the install. So super easy job, guys. On to the passenger side. As always, got to add some stickers to the toolbox. Have Daniel, my videographer's new sticker. Got to put that on there. Found a perfect spot for it. Wrap Stars, they did the ceramic tint on my vehicles. And JJ Fab with a new front bumper and more to come from him. Stay tuned. As always, thank you to all the supporters of the channel, whether you're a subscriber, a sponsor, a videographer. I couldn't do it without any of you guys, so thank you. JJ Fab. Guys, make sure if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And reach out to all these amazing companies that have helped me get this far. We're almost at 5,000, guys. Let's go. Might be at 5,000 by the time this video drops. Who knows? Let's see. Passenger side, same thing. First wet, then dry. The best part about this, guys, if you mess it up, it's just tape. Go buy another roll of tape and put it on here yourself. What's great is I have some brackets coming in the mail from JJ Fab. They arrive tomorrow. Thought about postponing our shoot today so we could do that as well, but we'll do that another day. So stay tuned for that. Some brackets for some lights, guys. Kind of finishing up a long project that we've been working on the channel for months. Finally going to be able to wrap it up thanks to JJ. He is the man. Obviously you saw what he did with my front bumper 2 videos ago. If you haven't, man, that's one worth watching. He really is a magician. Completely built it all by hand. Custom fabricated the entire thing right there in front of us in his driveway all day. We started about 7:30 in the morning and didn't finish up until 2:30 in the morning because he was the only one working on it, crushing it. So same thing with this one, guys. I'm gonna start on the bottom, get that positioned. It like lines up on its own once you get it there. Ivan, thanks again for sending this out. Looks great. Super grateful for you thinking of me and sending this my way. Allow me to share this with everybody else. I think it looks awesome. Nice little carbon fiber touch. We already got the carbon fiber outside. More carbon fiber coming with the fenders, wide body fenders, and the wide body bed sides from Fiberworks, and a couple others that I found online recently that I'm excited to share with you soon. So stay tuned for all that. Easy install, guys. Anybody can do this. If you can't, watch this video again. Hopefully that helps. Let's go. Well, guys, that is a wrap. Easy install. I don't even know what these things are called, but guess what? I'm going to put the link down in the description below. Let's call them vent covers, I guess, just for fun and games. Ivan, you saved the day. You send out some awesome carbon fiber products here, so thank you again. Semper Fi to your son. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see you guys next time. Are we at 5,000 yet? I don't know. Look down below. Are we at 5,000? We might be. If not, subscribe. We're going to get there. Let's go.
Easiest install?
Yeah. Definitely. Easiest install. I think my daughter could do that. And that's not a shot at her. I'm just saying. She's 11 years old. You know, maybe I need to get her a ZR too. And she can do projects like this on hers. Maybe one day. Daddy, daughter, for the win.
A little Colorado?
Yeah, yeah, a Colorado. I'll get her one of those little power wheels, you know? I'm going to make her watch this. She's going to be like, Dad, what the heck? No, whatever. See you guys.